Huh? Sure? You never know. This might be a sleeper car. You know, family cars, they look deceiving, but they're pretty quick. No. No, that's true. He wanted a race. Hello? I'm on my motorcycle. Yeah. Buena Park? No, I haven't gone there. Today's like super cloudy. It's supposed to rain on Monday. Did you know the Smiley's a little bit cultured? Look at me at the Saturday market. I like to source locally, you know. Screw the big corps. I used to work for a big corporation myself. I'll call them